I always talk about how every day out here is like Christmas, but today it really is. Just got 2 cases of Tango 2 Pros in the mail from TBS. These are all brand new. Got the new V2 gimbals in them. They go up to 1 watt. Crossfire, dedicated. This is the ultimate controller. Here's mine. I love it. I've had this baby for 3 years. I put a clear shell on it and did the custom paint job on the inside. I've also got these ThumbGrippies stick ends. These things are absolute beasts. Sticky, sticky, sticky. And don't stab your fingers. Absolutely love it. And then underneath I got the Pyro Drone CnC metal gimbals. These guys are being reproduced right now. They're on version 2 and we expect to get more of those next month. But Tango 2s are here right now. I'm shipping out the pre-orders immediately, and I'll have non-pros are coming next in the next crate, and all the accessories you could ever want for the Tango 2 right here in my store. I even have the add-on module bay for the back if you want to add a Nano TX back there. All the goodies. I got the little hook if you want to run a lanyard, and I got the Ethics lanyards. All that stuff, everything on my site, flyhighfpv.com.